Yes, sir. We're tape reading today. It's a Tuesday after a bank holiday, so not expecting too much. Give me a second, and I'll go into what I'm looking for. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Let's see, am I live? All right, we're good. I don't know what's up with my lights. They're like glitching. It's only on video though, not in real life. That's whatever. So I might be glitching today. Anyways, I'm just gonna have this and look at this and look at this day. So if we just look at the current market structure, where we're more likely to draw to, in my opinion, this low here. So got to be conscious of that. 930, just by looking at this market structure, I could see us just expanding to this low here. This is previous day low, so or not previous day. This is Friday's low, so we could expand to that. We do have this significant. I know there's a lot of stuff in my chart. There always is. I'm trying to. I have a separate template now for backtesting and annotations. Live trading that I'm definitely gonna start using. But yeah, I do got a lot of annotations that I don't really need. So we're just looking at this. We do have a large pool of liquidity here. These two reference points right here are daily volume imbalances. So let's see if we want to reach into those. But yeah, big pool of liquidity. If we look on ES though, ES has taken that pool of liquidity, but barely. So ES have a volume imbalance here. They also do have an imbalance here on the 15-minute. There might be an hourly imbalance that I would like to see. Although this just doesn't look like we're gonna have a reversal. Honestly, I would like to see us take this low, but I don't love this current market structure. So nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. In terms of new day opening gaps, we're within a cluster of new day opening gaps on ES, so we could have some high resistance signatures. We have new day opening gaps right here that we could refer to. Other than that, we do have a new week opening gap within that volume balance, which is what I favor right now. We look at ES in terms of new week opening gaps, where we're more likely to draw to. We do have a new day opening gap on 829 here that we put a low at. I know it's kind of hard to see because I do have a lot of stuff. Look at the low right there. Current new day opening gap. We don't have a current new day opening gap. So in that case, I just marked out the 6 p.m. opening price. So I'm looking for these levels here. Other than that, nothing crazy. We have 10 a.m. news. I want to see what that happens. This, we just had a large range in London. And now I'm expecting to see some consolidation. Let's look at London though. So London, we're reaching up. Is this an imbalance? It's got to be a 15-minute. Reaching up into this 15-minute imbalance. We're failing to reach the 6 p.m. opening price. Also have an order block there. Reaching this imbalance here. And notice what we do. We fail to reach that price right there. We've already took buy side here. We have equal lows here, here. Resting sell side. 5-minute. What do we have? Change of state delivery there. Zoom into the 1-minute. We have this order block here. It's referred to right there. It's volume balance right there. We're respecting that. Boom. And it's off. What time does this happen? 350 macro is right here. I don't really care about that. But yeah, London has established what could be a high day, probably the high day. But I'm curious to see what we do here at market open. We've taken buy side, buy side, buy side, buy side, and then we have sell side rest here with volume imbalances here. So I want to see that get traded too. Yes, has taken this low, but I don't care about that. We have smooth highs here. So this will probably get like, just look at the low end of that new day opening gap there. We are in a discount, so if we're in a deep discount below that 6 p.m. opening price, because normally we'd have a new day opening gap, but here we didn't. And here I do want to look at this because I was actually watching this live, and I think this was very nice delivery. Asia actually had expansion. I do want to find, and I don't really want to go in my journal right now because on Notion that I have those, and I don't want to dig up that on Notion. But 6 p.m. we don't have a new day opening gap at all. We trade higher. This breaker fails. Boom, volume balance right there. Like that's a very nice entry after we have SMT here. This is happening during the 6 after we take buy side too. And that's previous day high there. So 6 to 7, what are we doing? We're establishing that initial dealing range. So we come up higher, we take buy side. So what are we going to do? Revert to sell side. Yes, we do have this large pool of liquidity, but we're not going to trade to that. And that's what ends up happening. We see SMT. Okay, that's just a sign. That's a footprint right there. Displacement lower. This breaker is failing, and then we have this volume imbalance. Okay, that's getting respected. Boom, immediate rebalance right there. Trading lower, plenty of opportunities. Volume balance right there. Boom, displacement imbalance here with this. That's a balanced price range. We have this low right here. Also have sell side that rest here. And if I turn on, what happened to my new day opening gap? Now this is what I was really looking at the time. New week opening gap to get traded to. Boom. There's the model right there. Boom. That gets traded to along with sell side liquidity. So pretty nice there. And then look at what we trade to right here. 7 p.m. Now we're in a discount. We're returning to fair value. Trade lower. Here at 2 p.m. We price higher. 15-minute. So we've had a lot of activity overnight. So I really don't expect too much here. Yeah, I think PM session might have better opportunity. Overall, I what's good, Eddie? How you doing? I really ain't expecting much here. I would like to see this get traded too. Notice how that's getting respected. Okay, I usually don't like to say like we're within chop, but like this is just chop. There's just accumulation here. I don't. There's really nothing here. Look how well we're respecting that level. Okay, we were creating a balanced price range here, so I wouldn't like to see this get traded through. Looking at this. I would like this better though if we've taken buy side liquidity. No, we are respecting that old low there. We have new day opening gap that rests here. 829. Oh, look at the bodies at Cubs encroachment. You trading demo again? Not yet. I was just doing a baseline. Just kind of test myself, you know. Nothing crazy. I probably won't trade live or demo for probably another 3 months. I've been taking it so slow. All right, I think 930. I want to see this low. I want to see this expansion. I don't want to see us whipsaw back up here. What about you, bro? How you been? All right, market's about to open. Look how well we respected that. So let's see if we just fall over here or. Sell side traded to. Nice, nice. Yeah, I think most likely this low. But let's see what we get. 10 a.m. news. We are in a deep discount, so that was nice delivery though. We 5 minute. We have this inversion level right here. Constant approach of that beautifully delivered to, along with this old daily low right there as well. Zooming in the 1 minute, we're trading back up. We've already cleared buy stops, so we can trust this. We create a balanced price range that forms, so we should not trade any higher. Then we get a volume balance. That was really the only type of trade entry was that volume imbalance, but that was it. Stop could have been at 50% of constant encroachment or 50% of this. And looking for that. What type of stop loss? Trading View got an update. That's pretty good risk. 2.75. Nice. 60% win rate. Yeah, I've been discovering my model. I really think that or let's look at the daily chart here with nothing on it. So we came up to this volume bounce. Look how well we respected that. So we're respecting a volume bounce. We create a swing high. Change of state delivery. We have an order block that gets respected here. Propulsion block gets respected here. We're still respecting this mean threshold. Look at that. In terms of this, like, I would like to see that, like, probably this gap is next objective. But we kind of are just in a consolidation here. We do have that liquidity that still rests there, so I want to see maybe just trade here to then trade higher. Let's talk about this. We do have this big volume balance there, so at some point it's gonna get traded to. Volume balance there, and we barely traded in this volume balance, so I think we definitely have unfinished business lower. So in the meantime, that's like the long-term bias, but intraday, look for this low probably. New week opening gap within that volume balance, I think that's likely upside. We have created these smooth highs, and we are within a deep discount, so these will likely get taken after this low. So if we trade in this low, 950 to 1010, we get that macro to then possibly have a reversal at 10 a.m. news. I think that could be a decent, but I don't know. Just the fact that we've Let's see. Let's see. Pretty like really nice market structure here. Like this is a very nice sell model. Buy side taken, shift the market structure, change to delivery. You don't quite trade to that. The inversion level, ooh, beautiful. Trading lower, balance price trading forms. Institutional overflow entry drill because we have this wick here. Notice how we price right to that wick. Boom, sell side. Sell side. I don't know. If we look at an NQ, I would not like to see us traded higher here though. If we have this bearish narrative, like we shouldn't trade higher. On ES though, we have all this. So I forgot to mark this out. I kind of. I'll stick with blue for now. Notice how we literally did not get a push above this at all. Same with ES. So ES is in the same boat. Zero manipulation. Just straight repricing lower. So we could be pretty heavy today. Then we trade back up into this gap. Nicely. Sell side traded in. Balance price trade forms. Boom. Trade lower. I do want to mark out. We haven't had a fair value gap yet. This one right here, actually. No, I don't really like that, though. This will be the first presentation. Still going to mark it, but... Respect constant encouragement there. Five-second volume balance right there. You're locked in? Yeah, me too. I've been focused on trading a lot recently. See the I I want to I'm gonna start posting some case studies soon. I'm gonna be back on the case studies, which I really like. I'll just be posting those. Just my personal thing. But I really want to. I want to be live streaming. Should I just be live streaming every day? But I honestly think I should just be watching the 2024 mentorship. There's lots of value in that, in my opinion. It was always a good time. Rip Nicholas. Yeah. 100 points. Dang. The market's so volatile. Like, it's kind of crazy how good we have it. I don't see this as a reversal. I think we're just priming up for a PM session here. Yeah, I do want to go live more. I like it. Plus, like, I can also rewatch them. It helps me focus more. I like not having comments on though. It's nice. I do think we might be setting up for a PM session. Trade higher. Notice how this isn't getting respected right here. Where's it in balance? Here? I don't like anything at all. I think we're still in a sell model. Way too early for anything. We have 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. news is just Jolt's jobs. I honestly haven't used Forex Factory in a minute. Oh, it's NFP week? So we got a short NFP week. There's that first presentation fair value gap right there. Notice how well it is. It is getting traded too. That's nice. That's nice to see. I don't know. It seems suspect here. 950 macro is about to open, so we could trade higher to trade lower. So in terms of buy stops, we do have some buy stops here. So let's see if these want to get trailed too. This is a balanced price range here, so we are in deep discount prices, but I don't know. This could be an immediate term reversal, but I don't want to try to pick a bottom, you know. But down close candle got supported there, so just looking at this, got a little stop right here. You had a nice juicy down close candle. We're trading back down to order block and fair value gap right there. After a stop hunt, this imbalance right there. Let's see if we do want to have. I think we need to spend more time here to have a buy model of these highs. So let's see if we want to trade or form an SMT or something. Yeah, ES is trading lower, so divergence there. Right now we have SMT, but I don't really view that as SMT because of how bearish we are. So let's see if this wants to get traded as inversion. Not bad. Yeah, I like this as inversion. Overall, there's nothing here though. Okay, let's see if we do want to trade lower or trade. Remember, we still have 10 a.m. news. All right, look at that. Oh, we had that imbalance there. 1 minute imbalance. Sell side tag there. Yeah, we're just so heavy here. That's the second stage redistribution right there. Five minutes till news. Hey, have a good one, bro. I probably won't be live tomorrow. I do like the potential of a reversal here. Nothing has been missed at all. I did like the that trade in the volume balance right there. I think that was the for me. I need to see this happen more because like when are we gonna get 930 expansion? Well, when are we likely not gonna get 930 manipulation? We already taken buy side, buy side, buy side, buy side. We created a balanced price range for us to go all the way back up here. Like it just doesn't really make sense, and especially if we're respecting a volume balance right here before market opens, and we have sell side interest right here, and if we just look at the overall momentum of what we're doing, what is order flow? Bearish, bearish, bearish. We have a bounce price range here, we have that wick right there. So I think all that, I think that was the only thing that I like, and then after that, columns approach to that wick getting respected. Like there's gonna be someone else today, so no need to overreact. But it is a bank holiday, day after bank holiday AM session, so and we have news right now, so I think PM session is gonna be where it's at. Let's see if ES trades here. Let's see if this is an order block. We did have a change state delivery there. News did get delivered here. We do have a wick there. Look at the bodies there. Bodies are equal here, and we are in a discount. So let's see if this wants to be something of significance or not. Obviously now we have a short-term high broken within that 950 macro. So this could be something. We're in a discount. We have taken pools of sell side, sell side, sell side, sell side, sell side. So this could promise up for an intermediate term retracements. Although if we just look at order flow, I wouldn't like to fade this. But if we look at ES, I do like how we traded that new day opening gap constant encroachment right there. So I actually do like that. So although I don't care. I just want to see what happens here. We all are at a daily old low there. I don't think anything's crazy here, but something to watch for sure. We are in a discount of that macro too, so a lot of times you'll get a macro power 3, so where we open low and then we trade higher within a macro. So I would like to see this get traded into. I think this could be trusted. Shifted market structure sell side. I want this imbalance to get traded too. I mean, ideally, yeah, it doesn't need to get left at break because you would like to see it get left as breakaway, but okay. Let's see this. I want to screenshot this, and then after the fact, we'll look back and we'll see what overall. It's not high probability, so nothing to lose here. Nothing to lose. We're still respecting CE of that wick. I don't like this as much. ES is just taking sell side too. I lucky didn't see that. Overall, like this price action here, nothing to worry about in terms of significance. None of this price action is significant. There's gonna be better days in the market. Today isn't one to put too much significance on things working or not. I do really think that we might trade lower again. And maybe set up a PM session. Trade higher. I don't like anything except for the kind of market open. Short, right at 9:30. Other than that, we're just in too big of a discount for me to. I would like to see this get reclaimed. Overall, like 15-second chart, definitely too zoomed in. I like seeing the 15-second chart to kind of get a deeper dive. But a day like today, definitely cannot be too zoomed in. When I can be zoomed in is when clear bias, clear draw liquidity, clear clearly know where it's likely gonna go. Like here, this is when I could zoom in. Trading that for value gap, balance price range, boom, that gets traded to. That's an entry there, sell side. How many points is this? Say I enter here off this. 60, that's 70 points. Stop at the high. What's the risk? 25. What is that, like 2.5 risk reward? It's pretty decent. We aren't displacing lower, so that's something to note. I think we might need more time to have this buy model, but I think more likely we might see sometime intermediate term retracement, but nothing to force. In terms of downside levels, we still have this daily low right there, and we have this volume bounce. So I'm just gonna probably stream till 11. Just get the AM session. I would either like to see displacement through this low, which I think is more likely. That's nice. Institutional order flow never lies though. Never. Like down close candle, 5 minute, boom, boom, boom. Simple. You know what's great though? Like days like this, not clear bias. Yeah, we are heavy, so therefore, trying to go on the 15-second chart to look for some of that possibly reverse price. That isn't gonna work. Like we need to see clear displacement to have a reversal, and I don't even know why you would want to catch a reversal. All you need is the direction that the market's going to, just a piece of that. Well, yeah, this new week opening gap, this previous new week opening gap, that ES probably is going to trade to. And then even then, for us to like actually get these highs will probably get traded to at some point this week, maybe next week. I don't know. Overall, look on ES though. ES is in premium, and ES has not traded down to a BISI, so we do have this on ES. So something to monitor. For me personally, I like the intraday action when we're within a consolidation profile on the daily chart. But when we're looking for trending expansion candles, I could kind of get caught up in that. But we took previous day high, expansion lower. That can lead to expansion into this gap. So yeah, honestly, I might cut it here or soonish. I do want to go live for PM, but I don't think I will. Notice all these new day opening gaps here. That's crazy. I like to use a bunch of new day opening gaps, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, like this whole section's new day opening gap. So that is real institutional fair value. We have less fair value up here than we have lower. So once we have this trade lower, okay, we have this grouping here, this coupling here, oh whoa, and then all this, and all this. Like these are just bust ups, like right here, boom. We're like, if we're to trade it here, we're probably gonna trade there. I do want to look at this. You have this up close candle that we could bump into to then trade lower into this new week opening gap. So with this volume imbalance there. That's not gonna be a low. This could be like a. Not my entry model though. And we're too deep of a discount to where it wouldn't be worth it. Only after intermediate term highs do we enter a short term premium. So then, like after this, let's look at this. Oh yeah. See, that's what I need to get better at. Is right here. This is my model, 2022 model. Like this would be permissible to take a trade here. Like yes, we are in a discount, but after any time we take a high, we enter a premium. So right here we're in premium here, and then what do we have? We have big displacement. What is this like? Right at news? Yeah, news. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna journal that and. First partial, second partial at that. Here, 22 points. That's crazy. More than enough. You have 2 minute, 3 minute gap there. Smooth highs here. We could look for the same things. The stop rate, displacement, boom. But I want to look to take here. That's also entering that 2 minute gap. Okay, we're trading that order block, that old daily low there on ES. 2 minute gap there as well. We're not really respecting that order block. But we are, now we are. I'm tweaking. Give me threshold of that. I would want to see a break of this low for that model. Seems a little suspect. Once this new week opening gap gets traded to, I'm gonna head out. And if it doesn't get traded to, then I'll be live for the whole day. Oh, I didn't. I thought I had that new week opening gap. I thought I had that indicator on that whole time. We are in silver bullet hour. I saw these two down close candles. That down close candle. Just something to read the tape with, you know. None of this. Oh, gotta expect to see and forecast every fluctuation in price. That's not realistic. But I think the most toxic part about trading is having just crazy expectations for yourself. And that's what I used to place on myself. Like expecting to know everything. Oh, where are we gonna move next? Or like wanting to do that. And I feel like me coming on live it definitely makes it worse because I want to be right on where I want price to go. But that being right doesn't help anyone. Does not at all. That's why when I tape read, I could care less what price does. You know, we're just getting comfortable, just watching, just relaxing. Oh, what is price doing? It's not a like end all be all anything. Nothing is. We have lower discount levels that we could trade to, and we're just watching order flow. You're getting used to it, comfortable. If things happen, cool. If it doesn't, then cool. Right here, we have fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We have it taken buy stops here. We have trailing sell stops here. So that's what we're gonna annotate. Why does that look weird? Okay. So now let's just look at this level here. Let's see if this wants to act as inversion. We've now had significant low taken. Not significant, but more privacy than that. So we never even traded in that gap. Just look how heavy price is though. There it is, right there. Wait, 10, 11 highs? No, it's price 930, boom. Just straight lower. Let me look up in my I don't have too many notes. I've been setting up Obsidian, getting used to it. So nice. I've been going through 2023 mentorship right now. Going through that all again. Dude, there's so much that you like watching it second time over. At least there's so much I didn't pick up on, and plus like you have more respect for it. Okay, new week opening gap traded to. So, Bing Bong, that's the business there. PM session, we are in a deep discount, so I could definitely see PM session having a possible reversal. Overall, nothing crazy, nothing crazy here. Nice model here to sell side. 950 macro, he's trading here. There was a nice trade on ES, although NQ, this is kind of high resistance liquidity signature. I did, this was a nice trade here. That's a nice entry there. So, new week opening gap, very pleasing.
Good morning.
Okay. And a whole lot here. 930 opens, just straight drop. Filling to fill opening range gap. That was nice delivery in that 5-minute inversion though. Balance price range, boom, volume balance. Trading lower, sell side, sell side, sell side. New day opening gap. Oh, that's that big new. Wait, hold up. Okay, never mind. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully, y'all have a good rest of your day. This is a nice session. I wanna go live, but I've been following along with the mentorship, the 2024 mentorship from ICT. So I've really been watching those and rewatching them and rewatching them. So there will come a point where when I live stream and I actually trade live, but that's definitely a long time coming. So definitely taking a long route. Anyways, I appreciate you guys if you're watching. I know it doesn't feel like I'm live because I turn on my comments, but I do it for a good reason. Just because whenever I have comments on there's nothing beneficial that I really get out of having anyone comment on my video. Because one, say I do something good, then you got people in there like, oh my gosh, go trade or something, like good stuff. Like I don't need that. That's just seeking validation from other people. And then say I do something wrong, or you got other people like, oh, I told you that I was gonna go to this level, or oh, yeah, we're going to go to this level. Or if I see someone else's analysis, I'm gonna get tripped up on my own analysis, which I just think that trading is such a personal journey that it's kind of stupid to have other people give you information because it's just such a personal. Like they don't know me, like you really don't know me, you don't know anything about me. So why would I really listen to you when you're just some person on the internet? But I do appreciate you guys, and it's not saying that I don't. It's just there's reasons why I think it's best to kind of just keep to myself. But I like live streaming because I'm able to record all my sessions. I'm able to replay them. I'm able to rewatch them, and I think that's good to have these in my library. And also, I do want to be a streamer. I do. Because if you guys don't know, I used to stream 2K, and I got passion for this. But recently, I've been focusing more on the skill set, more on the craft, and I know like in due time, like I'll be doing live. I'll be trading live, and it really forging patience and discipline in myself. Anyways, hopefully y'all have a good rest of your day. If you traded, hopefully you followed your rules. You stuck to your plan. Didn't go off that. And I don't know what time I'll be live, but I'll definitely have a video. I'm going to record a video right now and